Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get approved for options trading with Fidelity. First, log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the Accounts and Trade menu. Select Account Features and then Options to begin the application process. You'll need to confirm your financial information, investment experience, and risk tolerance. Be sure to accurately represent your current financial situation and trading knowledge. The application will ask about your investment objectives, such as income, growth, or speculation. You'll also detail your trading experience, including how many years you've traded stocks, mutual funds, and other options. Be honest about your financial resources, including your annual income and liquid net worth. This information helps Fidelity assess your suitability for options trading. Fidelity categorizes options trading into different levels. Level 1 typically allows covered calls. Level 2 expands to include buying calls and puts. Higher levels, like 3 and 4, enable more advanced strategies such as spreads, straddles, and naked options. Your approval level depends on your experience, financial standing, and stated investment objectives. To increase your chances of approval, ensure your application clearly reflects sufficient investment experience and financial stability. If initially denied, review Fidelity's feedback and consider gaining more experience in less complex investments. You can always reapply later. Remember, options trading involves significant risk, so trade responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.